Increased rainfall activity is going to continue over Goa and South Konkan on 21st and 22nd September. Weather system mentioned below are very likely to strengthen monsoon over Goa and enhance rainfall activity. The low pressure area is over northwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining north coastal Odisha and east-west shear zone roughly along latitude 17° north between 3.1 and 7.6 kilometers above mean sea level. Extremely heavy rainfall exceeding 20.5 centimeters in 24 hours is very likely at one or two places over North and South Goa on 21st September. Very heavy rainfall exceeding 11.5 centimeters in 24 hours is very likely over North and South Goa on 21st September and 22nd September. Winds of speed 35 to 45 kilometers per hour is very likely over North and South Goa district during the same period. In past 24 hours, 5 stations reported very heavy rainfall. Continued rainfall of more than 12 centimeters can affect the areas vulnerable for weather-related disasters in the form of localized flooding, swelling of rivers, mudslides, etc. Weather warning for Goa state issued by Meteorological Center Goa on 13 hours 1st of 21st September 2020. Heavy to very heavy rainfall very likely at a few places. Extremely heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places on 21st September 2020. Heavy rainfall is very likely at few places. Very heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places on 22nd September 2020. Heavy rainfall is very likely at isolated places on 23rd September 2020. Heavy rainfall is very likely at isolated places on 24th September 2020. Possible impact of heavy rainfall during the forecasting period over North Goa and South Goa districts are as follows. Localized waterlogging, flooding of susceptible informal settlements, low-lying areas, breaches and agricultural fields. Localized waterlogging, flooding in urban areas. Localized and short-term disruption to municipal services, water, electricity, etc. Possibility of mudslides and rockfalls in hilly and ghat areas. Weak trees may get uprooted. Possibility of collapse of weak old structures. Possibility of swelling of rivers. Some communities temporarily not accessible cut off. Possible damage to crops. Possible impacts of winds during the forecasting period over North and South Goa districts are as follows. Weak trees may get uprooted. Localized power interruptions. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.